Time Warner Cable is the second largest cable company in the United States. Wi-Fi is a big part of our business for both our business customers as well as our residential customers. For our business customers, more and more people want to be mobile. They want to be connected anytime on their device, tablet, smartphone, laptop. For the residential customers, we've got a number of deployments across the country where we're putting APs out and about on outside public areas. So it gives them, A, connectivity anywhere they can be. B, more importantly, I think we're seeing now a lot of customers who are saving their data plan from their cellular service. They don't need to buy as much capacity on their cellular service. Plus, we also see that as improving our customer retention. They understand the value to be able to go out. If you're going down to the hotspot, you're going to the arena, you can jump on the wireless network and be connected anytime, any place.
Time Warner Cable is our naming rights partner for the facility, so we partnered with them, and once we realized that we needed to address our wireless issues, we began working with Time Warner, to assist us in finding the right partner through them, the right equipment to cover the building. There's this indoors and outdoors in our plaza area. You can access the Wi-Fi.
The arena was built about 7 years ago. Holds in a basketball configuration a little over 19,000 people. Charlotte was elected to hold the Democratic National Convention for 2012, and it was hosted here at Time Warner Cable Arena.
We recently hosted the Democratic National Convention, and that was one of the huge initiatives of doing the Wi-Fi upgrade, because we knew that we'll be way over capacity for what our previous wireless system can carry. So we wanted Wi-Fi for the entire arena so that fans can log on to our Facebook and Twitter accounts, upload their pictures and messaging. We had an aged Wi-Fi system, and our issues were signal wasn't strong enough. We had users that were dropping off the Wi-Fi due to coverage issues. We had a lot of dark spots. We didn't have the capacity for it either. We had areas where if we had X amount of people in that area, then the Wi-Fi couldn't handle it, so it'll take the entire group down.
We worked with the team, worked with the arena staff to identify areas they wanted to put it. Was virtually anywhere in the arena to give wireless access to customers. It's actually used for a number of applications. First, the fans. The arena and the Bobcat staff understand that it's a big piece of the fan experience. They also use it for their internal staff, where they're out and about, for their office staff, as well as also their environmental control. Their maintenance people have access to things across the arena. And then we have Ticketmaster that does all your ticket scanning. That was a critical piece of the application to be able to support them at entrances throughout the building.
What we did was we created our own mobile app for iPhones, iPads, Android devices, so that fans can, during the game, watch instant replays and tweet their favorite player of the game and things of that nature.
We went through and looked at the challenges the arena posed over a typical commercial enterprise. It's not just a coverage issue, it's a capacity issue.
With a facility like this, with so many people in certain areas, an area could have 5,000 people in it, but you may only have 4 or 5 access points in the area, and to control it, to have a select number on each AP so that it increased their fan experience.
We looked at a number of vendors for the arena. We look at, obviously, reliability. We use the Ruckus product indoor and on our outdoor deployments. We look at support. We look at the technology that delivers, as well as forward futures that we need to be able to support going forward. We looked at the broad range of technology that Ruckus provided with us and our experience with them. We determined it was the optimal solution for the arena. We ended up deploying a range of 7363s, where we had aesthetic issues in conference rooms and executive offices and suites throughout the arena. We've got 7762s, omnidirectionals in areas, hallways, things like that. We've also got 7762 narrow beam and 7762 wide beam APs that are supporting the bowl for capacity issues. On the catwalk, we had a number of challenges, like I said, specifically how do you mount them? We had to have special mounts fabricated that hang down about 4 feet from the bottom of the catwalk, as well as have to be tethered off with a safety chain.
We wanted to go with a system that was more high density, so that's what caused us to look into the Ruckus wireless solution. We put in approximately, I would say, 140 APs throughout the building. Being that our building is pretty much a concrete block, it kind of helps to have those type of wireless systems in. That way, it kind of cut down the amount of access points you need almost in half. The wireless system has performed solid, for the large events that we've had, concerts such as, Bon Jovi, the Democratic National Conventions, our team playing teams like the Miami Heat, the Lakers. It's withstood the test, of those large events when our building's at an overcapacity.
When we were doing the design and we had selected Ruckus, we had the full support of Ruckus. In the arena setting with so many people and so many mobile devices, one of the things that Channel Fly allows us to do is it's got the intelligence to manage the channel selection process. Instead of just picking channels and fixing them, Channel Fly allows the system to adaptively change as capacity on an AP, on a certain area, changes. When we looked at design capacity, we knew we wanted to keep it at about 100 users. Because Wi-Fi is a shared medium, you want to get the user on, you want to get them off, you want to get their package transmitted on to the next one, and really deliver a user experience that matched or exceeded what the arena staff wanted. And as we've seen, it's worked out really well.